Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about the Insect Lure Butterfly Garden. It's a product you can get. It has a pop-up butterfly garden. It's a habitat, not really a garden, for butterflies. So you order the butterfly garden, get it in the mail, and they send you a voucher where you can redeem it for caterpillars. All you have to do is pay for the shipping to get the caterpillars. So when you get the caterpillars, they come in, I didn't keep the box or the cup that they came in, but they come in a little cup like that. Ours were pretty full grown, they looked like in that picture. It takes a couple days and then they turn into the chrysalids, which is like their cocoon. And then when they turn into that, you take the lid off and then you put it inside the habitat for the butterflies. And it takes about a week to 2 weeks. It took ours about 8 days before they started to hatch, or the butterflies emerged from the chrysalids. Comes with 5 caterpillars. 4 of ours made it. 1 of them didn't make it out of the chrysalid, so we put it outside and let it die humanely, as per the instructions. It comes with a little hanging thing, so you could hang it up high if you have cats like me, because it took a couple days, but the cats did find it and got a little obsessed with it. So we hid it in the bathroom, hung it up on the shower rod, and just shut the door so that they couldn't get to it if they did get in there. So now we've got 4 butterflies. The temperatures are right. It has to be 55 degrees or higher outside. So we are gonna go release them. I'll give you, here's the website. You can sometimes find them at your local toy stores. Or I got mine on Amazon because our toy store was sold out. Or you can just go straight to their website. It's called insectlure.com. And then we'll see you soon when we go outside to release them. Here they are, they're ready to go. One of them's just hanging out by the zipper, waiting for it to open. You see some orange slices in there. You can give them fresh fruit after they emerge, or nectar. We just had oranges laying around, so we cut those up for them. I'm gonna look up and make sure that there's no birds nearby. I've heard that some birds can come and snatch them right after they fly out, so hopefully we don't run into any of that. But yeah, they know it's time, so they're getting ready. Just gonna fold it back.